So this is what's on dock today. Crackle blender brownies from Dreena's Kind Kitchen. The beauty of this recipe, not only are they vegan, plant-based, no added oil, and gluten-free, they're not black beans. It's made with something else. Do you guys know what it is? Here we go. I'm gonna put the mix into the blender. Everything is in here except the magic ingredient. So I'll let you guys guess. And then I'm going to show you the blended mixture ready to bake. Oh, here it is, guys. It smells amazing and it's not even in the oven. So that's the other beautiful thing about this recipe that I didn't mention, is that everything is done in the blender and then into the brownie pan and into the oven. So guys, if you have Dreena's Kind Kitchen, you've got to try this recipe, Crackle Blender Brownies. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Check out the final brownies. I wanted to cut into this one. I wanted to get that piece of chocolate. Let's see if I can do this without making a great deal of mess. Okay, I didn't really cut it well, but oh boy. So good, guys.